this is where we are right now. The toilet block is just over at the start.
Yeah.
Through that gate yonder there. And so you'll be following this path. When the path comes in from the right, just keep left down to the riverside and follow the path along the river until you get to the obvious boat jetty. And the boat is on demand, so all you have to do is wait for the boat probably, because there's a lot of toing and froing with people coming off the island. Wait your turn, then they'll pick you up, put you in, show you your ticket, off you go. And it's the same coming back, you just tell them, I want to come back and blah blah. There's information on the island, there's a bench, and you can't go right to the top sadly due to the mess from the Peregrine Falcons, but that will be cleaned in about a week's time and then it'll all be open again. But it's fine to go so far. Come back, then if you want, there's the Ospreys, that's Maggie, the volunteer, she's just come back, saying lots of activity, so plenty to see there. That's a 30-metre walk further along the same path, and the viewing platform's there, and the afternoon volunteer, I'm not sure what her name is, but she has the equipment there for you to look through, and you should see something good, as she says, Maggie. Then decide what you want to do. You can come back the same way, go off to visit a few bird hides, or just do the circuit walk. But bear in mind, as she says, it's a lot breezier now down there, you'll feel a lot cooler, and there is rain due.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So hopefully you'll have a good visit.
Look like the castle surrounded by beautiful nature, all the wild birds and everything here. That's it. We are going now, everyone. Let's go and see what's behind this gate. I heard it's a long walk to get to the castle here. You know, it's so windy and I hope not going to rain. I pray. Please don't rain. Hi, welcome everyone to Threave Castle. We walk up here to be about a mile walk up that way, and we get on a boat this way here. I'll see you a bit, okay? Thank you.
No, signs here.
Oh, we're done there. Turn left here now. Not far from here. Turning right over here, and that's that. Get to the castle. And you can see the castle in the distance here, everyone. After that long walk, it's a beautiful castle. There's a castle. Just need to walk that way again to get the boat. You have seen castle on a live chat, another video also on the castle, seen castle from the air as well. This is the just to get here, and there's a bird there. See bird.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yes, on the top. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Is there just two?
Oh, there's one.
Castle view.
It just flew onto the next little bit.